Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I mentioned closing parts of my exposure near 120,000 as upward momentum looked exhausted. To manage risk, I placed conditional exits at 118.8 thousand. I had scaled too heavily into my long, lifting the average entry to about 118.5 thousand. Later, as price revisited the triangle formation, I saw a potential setup near 118,000 and re-entered long. I shared this live in Discord. Since then, the position floats slightly in green, but price action has remained choppy. Momentum still lacks clarity, so it's unclear whether we'll hold or drop again. What's next? The 3-day liquidity heat map shows notable interest around 117.2 thousand, the triangle's lower boundary. Many are still looking to enter there. Above us, we see liquidity at 120.3 thousand, 120.8 thousand, and 122,000. On the 1-week heat map, only 122,000 stands out. It could act as a magnet if momentum picks up. Now, some macro updates. Fidelity amended its Bitcoin ETF trust to allow in-kind creations and redemptions. If approved, this means shares could be created or redeemed using actual Bitcoin, not just cash, reducing friction and giving institutions more reason to engage directly with Bitcoin. Also, Tesla reported it still holds Bitcoin. In Q2 2025, Tesla gained $284 million from digital assets and posted a $1.2 billion net income, despite a 12% revenue drop. In short, Tesla is holding. All of this shows large players continue to trust long-term Bitcoin exposure. I'll continue updating you daily. If you want more real-time observations, feel free to join the free Discord. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.